the way we stopped for a lunch. The restaurant name is Spice Villa, and food is really nice. It's like a home food. You should order. We have ordered 4 meals, veg meals, and it is yummy. And we ordered 2 chicken. One is dry roast, and one is pepper chicken. And it is really good. You should try it. On highway, this hotel is really good. Waterfalls, adult ₹10, children ₹5, 2-wheeler ₹15, auto ₹50, 4-wheeler cars and jeeps ₹100, van, bus, tractor ₹200, and if you want to take camera you have to pay ₹100. Amita, how to open?
Guys, just we reached the waterfalls. We're just walking head to the waterfalls. You can see the water there. There's a small pool here, so like families can come and play here.
I will take rice chopper.
What happened? Want to play it, Sims?
After parking the car, we started to walk through this way to reach the waterfalls. As you can see, the way is little steep, so while climbing this way, you have to be very careful.
Hi guys, we just reached few minutes back, and you can see we are heading towards the waterfalls above.
So this is the way you have to walk. So we have to walk till above, I think, to reach the waterfalls. Yeah, and people are coming back also from there.
We reach late. It's going to be 4 now.
By 4 they'll close it, no?
Yeah, we should be reached early. That'll be much better. We can be played in water. So you can see people are coming back, and we are the one going ahead.
Let's see whether we can enjoy there.
Yeah.
Water is So from here stairs started, so we are now climbing the
stairs, and children are already tired, so they are on their dad's shoulder. Hope the waterfalls will be nice. Let's see.
Wow, you can see the view of the waterfalls, guys. How beautiful it is.
There are few people.
Look at the view, guys. This is what we were targeting today. I would say it is worth it if you walk so long and reach this place just to see this waterfall. This waterfall has a beauty of its own, and I haven't seen this kind of waterfall in my life. We found a small spot where we felt it safe for our children to play, and we just started playing there. Beauty of nature is beyond our imagination, and that's what we love to explore most. And I would say this was one of the good explore that we have done so far. This waterfall was just worth it. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh my god, I was just out of the world when I saw this waterfall. After spending a good time playing around there in the waterfall, now we are just heading back to the parking area. Yes, so this was all about Thalakona Waterfalls trip. We had a good time there, and it was a long journey, but it was worth it. And the whole journey we enjoyed a lot because we got to eat some lovely food, and our trip was also very good, and I would say the roads were just awesome. And only when we reached the guard area, means the forest area, we find it little difficult because the road was not that great. But overall the journey was so good, and the waterfall was just mind blowing, guys. So I would recommend you all to visit this place. Soon we will be back with another video, so stay tuned to be with us.